Welcome to Saraswati Shishu Kunjwagwala Board Sad, Standard 2nd, Subject English, Lesson 3, Fun with Paper and Pencil, Part 2. Jai Hind students, how are you? I hope that you all are fine and healthy. Okay students, I already completed half of this lesson in Part 1. Now today, in Part 2, I will take further part. Okay students? But I will revise part 1 also. So you have to listen it carefully. Okay. So now let's start. Shalini and Shyam and their cousins Neetu and Nitin are spending the summer vacation at their grandparents' house in the village of Sohanpur. It is raining heavily. I am bored of reading, but we can't go out and play, says Shalini. And Grandpa doesn't have any video games, says Shyam. What can we do? Asks Neetu. Okay students, see here, all 4 children were spending their summer holidays at their grandparents' house in the village of Sohanpur. Okay, what is the name of village? Sohanpur. And it was raining very heavily outside, so they can't go for playing also outside. So they were bored of reading now. And grandpa didn't have any video games also to play. Now what they will do? Now see next what they are doing. Okay. Now see next. Grandpa comes into the room. He says, "Children, I have brought some sheets of paper and some pencils for you." Paper and pencils? What can we do with them? Asks Nitin. We will play games, says Grandpa. Oh no, we don't want to play silly games, says the children. These are fun games, says Grandpa. He hands out a sheet of paper to the boys. He hands out sheet to the girls. See here, now Grandpa entered into the room and he says to children that I have brought some sheets of paper and some pencils for you. So Nitin says, paper and pencils? What can we do with them? Then Grandpa says that we will play games. Then children say, all 4 children say, no, we don't want to play these silly games with paper and pencils. Then Grandpa says, these are fun games. It is very nice game, okay? Then also children says no. Then also Grandpa hand out a sheet of paper to the boys and to the girls also. Okay. So now see next. Now draw a box with 9 square on the paper. Then take turns to draw circle and crosses in each squares. The first one to get 3 circles or crosses in a row wins, says Grandpa. Wow, that sounds fun, say the children. What is the game called? It is called tic-tac-toe. It also helps to improve your thinking power, Grandpa says. Children, you played or not this game? Because this I have told you, this part 1 we have completed yesterday, okay? Those who have seen this video, I hope that you have played this game. You enjoyed or not? It is nice game, okay? And this game name is tic-tac-toe. You can also play with your mother, father, brother and sister also, okay? It is very nice game. It will also improve your thinking power. Very nice game it is. Okay. Now see next game. Now let me tell you about another game? Yes, please, say the children excitedly. Now they are very excited. Grandpa hands out a sheet of paper to each child. Draw 4 columns on the paper. On top of each column, write the words name, place, animal, thing. Now take turns to recite the alphabet silently in your mind. Recite it till the others say stop. The letter that you stop at is your cue for that round. You have to think and write a name, a place, an animal, and a thing with the letter. I got it, says Shyam. If I get the letter S, I can write Shalini, Sohanpur, snake, and skirt. Very good, says Grandpa. And this game will help improve your knowledge of nouns, says Nitin. Students, you played or not this game? It is very nice game. See, you have to recite alphabet silently in your mind, and if other will tell stop, and the letter where you stop, that is your cue for that round, okay? And you have to think and write a name starting from that letter, okay? Understood or not? Then place name, animal name, and thing name. Okay, students? Like that. See now, if you stop on M, then from M you can write name, Manish, okay? Then place, then Manipur, animal name, then monkey, and thing means mango also you can write, okay? Like that. You have to play like that, and this game will help you to improve your knowledge of nouns, okay students? Now see next. Tell us more, Grandpa, say the girls. Girl says, now tell us more. Okay, give me a book. Then Grandpa says, give me a book. Shalini gives him a big story book she has. What? Shalini gives a big story book. Now take a sheet of paper and pencil each. Now you have to take sheet of paper and pencil. You can play book cricket. Divide yourselves into teams. Decide which team will bat first. Now open the book to any page and note the last digit of the even page. Number. If you get 2, 4 or 6, add it to your runs. 8 is 1 run. 0 means you are out. Keep doing this until one team is out. Then the other team tries to score runs. Whoever has more runs wins. See here now, another game. The name of this game is book cricket. You have to take one book and you have to divide into 2 teams, okay? Then one team will take batting first, okay? Of course, it is like cricket only. Now you have to open the book and any page. You take out any page and you have to count that page number, okay? And if you have to note down the even number, means which is on the last side. Like you got 12 page, then 2, then like that. If you got 16, then 6. You are getting like that runs, okay? And if 8 comes, means 28, 18, 38, then it will be 0 run. and 0, and if you got 30, 40 means 0, you are out. Like that, like this game will also you will understand about the digit, and you will also know the digit odd and even and like that. Okay, by this game you can get the knowledge of digit. Okay students, now see next what happened now. Next, see here, it also helps us improve our math skills when we add the runs, doesn't it? Asks Neetu. Yes, it does. Now I have taught you 3 games. Will you have fun? Asks Grandpa. Yes, we shall, shout the children happily. Tomorrow teach us more. See here, now what did the Neetu says that it will also improve our math skills, okay, because you have to count the runs, okay, so you can know also the counting, and you have to note down the even number, means you have you can also identify odd and even number also. By this game, by book cricket, you can improve your math skills. Okay, so here 3 games were there. Which was first? First was 9 square. Okay, of circle and crosses, and second was to write the name, place, animal, and thing name. Okay, by that you can improve your nouns. Okay, and then knowledge of nouns, and then this is your book cricket. And in this game you can improve your math skills. Okay students, these 3 games your grandpa had taught you. Okay, you also try at home. It is very nice game. Okay, now I will also give you one game, and you have to play it, and you have to write it in your worksheet. Okay, so I am giving example also of this, how to write this. Okay, see here now, activity. Make spellings as many you can in 1 minute. Next word should be start from the last letter from the given word, and so on. See here, one game. Now I am also teaching you one game. How to play this game? See, one word is given. Suppose table. 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 Last letter of table word is E. So now next word is starting from E, means egg. E-double-G, egg. Okay, so E-double-G, egg. Last letter is G. So you have to start next word from G. Okay, so my word is gun. G and gun. Last letter is N. Now you have to start with N letter, means nest. Okay, so N-E-S-T, nest. Last letter is T. Then T, from the T, which word you will get? Tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. See. Okay students, like this you have to make words in 1 minute, as many as you can, and you have to make it by yourself only. Don't ask to anybody, because I have given you time also, and you have to do it, this activity you have to do it honesty. Okay students, you have to do by yourself also. See now, I am also giving one example more. Tiger, T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Here last letter is R. So from R now, what you will write? From R, rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. T, now again T. From T, what you will write? Tie, T-I-E, tie. You can write anything. Animal name, place name, thing name. Okay, anything you can write. Okay students, by this you can improve your vocabulary, means how many words you are knowing. Okay students, you will try or not, in worksheet it will come. Okay, you have to try it. This is activity. This game you can also play at home at the time of rainy season. Okay students, now you have to play this game, and you have to write in your worksheet as many as word you can make in 1 minute. You understand or not? If you not understand, then again watch this video. Okay, I have explained you, and I have given example, but I will give you another word, not table. I will give you another word. From that word you have to start. and you have to write next word from the last letter. Okay, like this. Here I have written like that. Okay, students, so take care of yourself. Okay, Jai Hind, goodbye and thank you.